Throughout the week, I shared with a couple of folk just a story, an account that's been impressed upon my heart, and it's from the book of Matthew. In Matthew chapter 14, we read about Jesus feeding the 5,000. And in Matthew chapter 15, we read about Jesus feeding the 4,000. So both of these accounts speaking of the Lord's abundance, how He supplies exceedingly and above anything we could ask for. Now, kind of in the middle of those two accounts, we see that Jesus, He's walking to the next town with His disciples, and a woman comes walking up to Him, and she asks Him to heal her demon-possessed daughter. And Jesus says something, and then she responds, and I want to read her response to you from Matthew 15, verse 27. She replied, "That's true, Lord, but even the dogs are allowed to eat the crumbs that fall beneath their master's table." And for so long I've been wondering, like, what's the deal with the scraps? What's up with it? And then it's as if, some sort of curtain was pulled back, and I say, hey, wait a minute. I've got this all wrong. You see, when does things fall off our dinner table? When it's too full. When there's an overflow. When is there food left on your plate? When you stuff, you're full, you're overflowing. You've had enough. And so she's saying to Jesus, Master, even the crumbs from the overflow of your table is enough to heal my daughter. That's what she's saying. And so if the crumbs from the overflow of the Lord's table is enough to heal and to set free and to restore, if the crumbs from the overflow of His table is enough, then surely all we need is faith the size of a mustard seed.